Hello viewers and my dear students, welcome to session 14 on projection of solids demo, and we have started with Square Prism demo with beta construction using solid edge. In this we have covered already three sessions. Okay, three sessions on Square Prism with beta construction. This is the fourth session. I think we'll be able to finish this problem in this session. That is the entire demo we are doing using solid edge, and please go through my projection of solids under pyramids and prisms to understand the subject. Okay, this is only a demo. That means how to do a given problem in the examination using solid edge. This is only a demonstration. Okay, now you see here, this is how we were at the end of three sessions on Square Prism with beta construction involved. Okay. Now what you know is as I've been telling you, always keep enlarging for better clarity. Okay. Now you see here, this is a square prism of size 35, height 60, has one of its base edges on HP with axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Keeping axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP, I rotated this. Okay, that means it is resting on 71, base at 71, pivoting on 71. Okay, that means it is rested on 71, axis inclined at 45 degree, pivoting on 71. I rotated the solid. I could have rotated this way also. I could have rotated this way also. If I rotated this way, okay, that is in the clockwise direction, top surface would have come nearer to the observer. Now I have rotated the other way so that the bottom surface has come nearer to the observer. But whatever it is, if they don't say anything, you can take anything. In this case, the bottom surface has come nearer to the observer. Okay. Now, as you know, in this problem, axis is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Same axis is inclined at 30 degrees to VP also. Okay. That is why we have undergone beta construction, because this over one what you find here, okay, the over one what you find here, okay, is not in true length. That is why what I have done is O1 OX I have cut equal to the true length. Okay, O1 OX will be, we draw one line, O1 OX at 30 degree you do, that will be equal to true length. That is, actual length of the axis is 60 mm, no? You take 60 mm here. O1 OX is 60 mm. Okay. Now, if you dimension this also, you will know this. It will be 60 mm. Okay. Then, as you know, the top view of the axis is O1 O. This, as you know, this is, if you observe, it is 42.43. Can you see that? 42.43. That with O1 as center, I have cut one more arc. Using arc command, I have cut it here, okay, such that you get beta. Okay. That's why if you recollect here, okay, 42, because it is rounded off to 1, that means one more cut you do, that means 42, you get beta. Okay. Once you get beta, this top view, the axis O1O, should be inclined at beta to XY line. Okay, beta to VP. That is why I'll move this. These things I told you in the last session. I move, rotate, such that it is, this is beta. No, it should be parallel to this line. It should, this O1O should be parallel to this O1. Okay, it should be parallel to this. When you do this one, once you draw a line here, at one particular stage, you can clearly see this also becomes red and parallel symbol also comes on. Anyway, even otherwise, beta, you know it is, you have already measured. Beta is equal to 45. Okay, beta is 45, as you know. Knowing that, you can directly draw this line at 45 degree line and call it as beta. That is the thing. Okay. Now, once you have done this, that is, get all the projectors to the other view, and get all the projectors here and name the points. Okay. Then we'll go as per the procedure. Then A dash. Okay. Here times new Roman. You have it. A dash B dash, C dash, D dash, okay, then A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, O dash, O1 dash. Everything you make it ready. Okay. Now you see here, uh, on this line, you should get A and B. Okay. See here. Here it should be B. Carefully. These are all you should do it carefully. Okay. B dash is this point. Correct now. B from here. B from. Okay. A dash is this point. Correct now. B dash A dash is that. Then here C and D you should get. C on this line, D on this line. I think it's okay. Now, C you take this. C you take here. This is C dash. And D dash also you take it here. Okay. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash is over. In the same way, here you should get A1 dash, A1 dash and B1 dash. Okay. Okay. We'll take A1 dash. A1 dash, I'll have it here. Then B1 dash, I think this is also okay. B1 dash, I'll have it here. Okay, this point is B1 dash, you see here. B1 is going here. Okay. Then on this C1 dash and D1 dash, okay. I think this is this C. I'll do one thing. Okay, this is D, no? I'll enlarge this. Okay, then again I'll zoom this area. Okay, once I done it, you see here, this is A, B is over. This is C and D. This is C dash. This is D dash is also over. Okay, on this B1 dash, A1 dash, B1 dash is also over. Okay, A1 dash is also over. Then C1 dash and D1 dash. Okay, now C1 dash, C1 dash should be here. Correct, no? C1 dash should be here. And D1 dash should be here. I think this is correct. C1 dash, D1 dash, C1, D1 is here. And B1 is here. A1 is here. C and B here. C and D is here. Correct? A and B is here. Okay. Now, once you've done this, you know very well, first step, this is a very, very important thing, and you should have real good confidence, that is confidence as well as procedure to complete. Otherwise, everybody will come halfway through and stop. Now, you see here, once you've done it, you see here, now I'll go for 0.5, okay, continuous line. First step in any problem is complete the outer boundary. See here, when you're not getting here, it's better you enlarge it. Okay, enlargement is always helpful to you. Okay, I have completed the outer boundary now. Now, once you have completed the outer boundary, you see here, step one is always completing the outer boundary. Now when you are looking from here, when you are looking from here, you are comparing upper top surface with bottom surface. Now compared to the top surface, which is ABCD, bottom surface is nearer. That is why the procedure is immediately darken the bottom surface, because the bottom surface is nearer to the observer. You can clearly see the bottom surface. Darken the bottom surface immediately. Don't forget, continue this sentence. Darken the bottom surface and immediately remaining edges of the other surface make it dotted. Okay, in that way, you see here, B1, I'll just put it this way. Okay, now you see here, 0.5. Okay, I'll complete. Okay, this I'll do. This is bottom surface is nearer. I'll darken the bottom surface. Immediately remaining edges of the other surface, you have to make it dotted. Okay, dotted. That means immediately you see here this using pressing control button. These two compulsorily you have it as invisible edges. Okay, invisible edges. Now you count the number of edges. 4 here, plus 9, plus 1 here and 1 here. C dash, C1 dash, A dash, A1 dash. In that way, 10 edges are already over. Now you are left with 2 more edges. You see here, BB1 is remaining, DD1 is remaining. BB1, what you have to do is, when you are looking from here, BB1, both the corners can clearly be seen by the observer. You are looking from here, BB1 is the nearest edge to the observer. He can clearly see, hence darken it. DD1 is back edge. Can you see this? D here, D1 here, back edge. When you're looking from here, that is blocked by the solid. That's a back edge which is invisible and the observer cannot see. Okay. In that way, BB1 I'll darken it. BB1 I'll darken it. And DD1 no. I'll make it dotted. In that way, you have completed more or less this problem. But still see here, with all this, you can finally show the axis also. Okay. Axis should be on this. Okay. And even here also. Axis you show. It's a continuous line. In that way, you see here, okay, you got the axis point. Now I'll enlarge this. Now you show the axis from this point to this point. You show the axis. Okay, axis you must be shown, and immediately show it as axis representation. In that way, you will not be losing any marks, and immediately you write it as O dash here, and O1 dash here. In that way, you complete this. Okay, once you do this, you fit the thing. Okay, and this particular thing has to be moved. Okay, you see here, this particular thing has to be moved here to somewhere here where it is clearly visible. Okay, in that way you are able to complete this solid. Thank you very much for watching.